Hello, it's Mark from Blastworks Surface Prep. So this is a concrete mixer for one of our customers. They've got a new drum ordered for it. So they hired us to blast, prime, and paint the frame and then the pedestal. So that pedestal's in primer right now. That's Amerloc 2, PPG's Amerloc 2. We'll go over that with a PSX 700 in white. So you see we got the upper half of this masked off. We did all the black frame today. And then on a minute here, I'll show you all the parts that are white now. Tanks and chutes and ladders and chutes and ladders. It was a fun game as a kid, right? Yep. So here's more parts and pieces. So some little chutes and some ladder sections. And then over here, I'll turn the light with it. There's a couple of fenders and a big funnel thingy that goes on the back of the truck. And we also did the front pedestal that has the drive unit and a couple of water tanks. All done with the same paints. PPG's Amerloc 2 primer. And then we went over that with PSX 700. Of course, this is white. Then we'll come back in a couple days and we'll do the pedestal that's on the back end of the truck. We'll mask the bottom half off and do the top half white.